Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to get Nyx in Warframe. Nyx is a Warframe known for her crowd control abilities, especially her mind control and enemy manipulation skills. To obtain Nyx, first open the market and search for Nyx. As you can see, Nyx is available for 25,000 credits, so buy the Nyx Blueprint and head back to navigation. In navigation, go to the Invasion tab, which is usually on the top right of the screen. Look for an invasion that lists Void Manifestation as the reward. As I'm a new player in this game, there is no Invasion tab, but if the tab is available, just click on Invasion. If you do not see a Void Manifestation invasion available, you must wait until the invasion rotation brings one back. Invasions appear periodically, so it may take some time before the correct mission appears. Once the Void Manifestation invasion is available, start the mission. It is an assassination type mission, so follow your waypoint to reach the target. After you reach the target, defeat the assassination target and proceed to extraction. When the mission ends, you will receive one of the Nyx parts, such as Nyx chassis. Repeat the invasion mission until you collect all 3 parts: neuroptics, systems, and chassis. Finally, go to your Foundry and craft Nyx using the parts and the main blueprint. And that's it. We just learned how to obtain Nyx by purchasing her blueprint from the market and farming her parts through Void Manifestation invasion missions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delft Stack tutorial videos.